So you have learned that tuple is immutable. It means that it cannot be changed after creation. But there's one way you can modify the value of the tuple. Okay, so basically you can create a new tuple with modified values. Let me now first run this for you, alright? So here it will show original tuple with the number that we define in here, right? It's stored into this variable and we print it out. Now let's try to modify tuple. So this will be tuple example and then tuple example. So I want to modify the number in the middle here. Okay, so instead of number 3, I want to enter a new number. So how do I do that? Basically, you need to use the slicing notation, right? So this will be square bracket with the colon. Here we need to enter an index. So this will be a number, right? This means that it referring to index number 0 and 1. Basically, it's start from the very beginning of the index. So starting from 0 up to, but not including the index itself. Okay, so it's not including this index, which is index number 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2. So it only referring to this 2 right now. It will show this 2 number only, not including the index itself. Okay, so that's what it means. And now I want to modify the number in the middle here, plus, and this will be a new number, right? You can just enter any number here. In this example, I just enter like number 99. And then we want to show the rest of the index. Okay, so this will be a plus tuple and similar to the front here, but we are using the colon right after the number. So we want to start from this index, all right? So index, what index? Index number 3 and 4, right? So let's just enter the index number 3 and colon. So this will start from index number 3. So it's referring to these two number. Okay, so the difference between these two is this one is not including the index itself, all right? It's not including this. But if you were to use the colon right after the number, it will start from that index. Okay, so I just enter number 3, all right? Index number 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So it start counting from here. So that's the difference between these two. Now we have this setup, right? We just need to print it out. So let's just call this as modify tuple and display the tuple example, right? So this will show us the new number, the modified values. Okay, let's run it again. And here you can see the original tuple right here, and this is the modified one. Now we successfully modify the number in the tuple, right? Even though it is immutable, but we can still create a new tuple with the modified value that we want to update, right? So that's how it is done. So yep, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video.